Okay, imagine cutting your daily commute costs literally in half just by making one incredibly simple tweak to your windshield. Sounds like a total no-brainer, right? Well, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are breaking down absolutely everything you need to know about snagging and using the new Illinois iPass. So whether you're completely new to Illinois toll roads or maybe you're a seasoned commuter who's just ready for the latest upgrade, this guide is going to empower your commute and save you some serious cash.
Real quick, here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with an intro to the iPass, then cover exactly where to get one, the step-by-step setup process, how to mount and use it, managing your account, and finally, we'll wrap up with some troubleshooting and common FAQs.
All right, let's dive right into Section 1, an intro to the iPass, looking at the benefits and the basics.
So if there is only one single number you remember from this entire explainer, please let it be this one, 50%. Slapping an iPass in your car immediately slashes your Illinois tollway costs by a whopping 50% compared to paying cash or using pay-by-plate. Plus, you literally get to bypass those backed-up cash lanes entirely. It saves you so much time on the open road. Honestly, it's an absolute necessity if you're driving in Illinois.
Now, for our veteran drivers out there, we've got to address the elephant in the room. You know those bulky, hard-case plastic transponders we're all so used to seeing stuck to our windshields? Well, they are officially being phased out by the Illinois Tollway. Yeah, the Tollway is actually transitioning to a totally next-generation system. We're moving away from those old battery-operated boxes and switching to these sleek, new RFID sticker tags. And the perks of the switch are fantastic. For starters, since there are no batteries involved, these new stickers are way safer for the environment. And even better, because they're much cheaper to produce, the Tollway has completely ditched that old $10 deposit fee. Win-win, right? Moving right along to Section 2, where to get one and how to purchase your tag. You've got a few incredibly convenient options here. The absolute easiest route is just ordering online at getipass.com, or you can give them a call at 1-800-824-7277. If you prefer, you can pick one up in person at an Illinois Tollway customer service center. You can even grab a tag while you're out running errands at almost 200 Jewel Osco locations or select Road Ranger stores. Just a quick heads up, though. If you do buy at a retail store, you're probably going to pay a tiny retail service fee, and you will have to manually activate the sticker online before you actually use it. Okay, Section 3, the step-by-step process of setting up your account. So the really crucial part is getting your vehicle properly registered in their system. Step 1, head over to getipass.com and create your account. You'll need to punch in your driver's license number and pay attention to this super specific detail. If you have an Illinois driver's license, it actually has to begin with the first letter of your last name or the system might literally block you. After that, just enter your exact license plate information and finally select your preferred payment method.
Now, when you're checking out, you'll need to fund your brand new account with a minimum $40 toll balance. And here, you're going to have two choices, automatic replenishment or manual replenishment. I highly, highly recommend auto replenish. It just automatically charges your card whenever your balance drops too low. If you go with manual, it's totally on you to monitor that balance. And honestly, forgetting to manually refill it can lead to missed tolls and some pretty hefty fines. So auto replenish is for sure the smartest way to keep your account in good standing without the headache.
All right, Section 4, mounting instructions, or how to stick it right the first time. Since these are RFID stickers, mounting them correctly is absolutely critical, so the overhead sensors can actually read them. First thing you want to do is thoroughly clean and dry the interior glass right behind your rearview mirror. Now, if your car has one of those black dotted sections near the mirror, which is super common in newer models and electric vehicles, you're going to want to place the sticker directly inside that dotted area to minimize any signal interference. If you don't have that, just mount it at least 1 inch below the metal roofline and about 1 inch to the side of the mirror post. Now listen up, because here is a huge, vital difference from the old system. Never attempt to move or peel off the sticker tag once it's stuck on. Unlike the old plastic boxes that you could sort of toss between different family cars, these stickers are completely permanent. If you try to peel it off, you will physically break the internal microcircuits and permanently ruin the tag. It is strictly one sticker per vehicle, period. Section 5, managing your account and keeping things running smoothly.
Managing everything is practically effortless using getipass.com, the official Illinois Tollway app, or even their automated phone system. But the absolute most important piece of maintenance you have to do is keeping your credit card expiration date updated on your auto-replenish settings. Seriously, an expired card means your auto-replenish is going to fail, which can snowball real quick into unpaid tolls and some severe fines.
Oh, and I really want to highlight this specific number right here. $4. The Tollway actually offers an incredible program called iPass Assist for income-eligible families. If you happen to qualify through programs like Medicaid or SNAP, you don't have to put down that initial $40. You can open and automatically replenish your account for just $4. It's such a fantastic initiative to make sure everyone can get in on that 50% toll discount.
And finally, Section 6, Troubleshooting and Common FAQs.
First question we see a lot. Does my Illinois iPass work in other states? Absolutely, yes, it does. Your iPass is fully integrated with the massive EasyPass network. That basically means you can drive seamlessly through 19 different states, mostly across the East Coast and Midwest, without ever needing a separate transponder. Next up, do I have to switch from my old plastic transponder right away? The short answer is no, there's no rush at all. Your existing transponder is going to keep working until its battery eventually dies. But if you do decide to switch to the new sticker now, that old $10 deposit you paid years and years ago, it'll automatically be transferred directly into your prepaid toll balance. So that's kind of nice.
What about rental cars? Now, this is normally a major pain point for travelers, but thankfully there is a super simple digital solution. Since you can't just peel the new sticker off and take it with you, all you do is log into your iPass account online. You just add the rental car's license plate number, set a specific start and end date for your trip, and boom! The tolls will correctly route right to your account without even needing a physical tag in the rental car. Rest assured, you are completely covered.
Finally, what on earth do I do with my old transponder? Please, whatever you do, do not throw it in the regular trash. Those old hard case boxes contain lithium batteries, so you really need to dispose of them at a proper electronic recycling center, or you can just drop them off at any Illinois Tollway customer service center. Okay, before we completely wrap up, it's super important to just give a quick professional disclaimer. While we have rigorously sourced this guide to be as helpful and accurate as humanly possible, things like tollway guidelines, retail fees, and tech requirements can and honestly do change over time. So please always verify current details directly with official Illinois Tollway sources before making your final purchase or installation. So the only question left is, are you ready to take control of your commute and slash your toll costs today? Honestly, getting an iPass is such a small step, but it gives you massive financial and time-saving returns. Just follow these steps, stick it right the first time, and enjoy the open road. Thanks so much for hanging out for this explainer. Now get out there and drive a little smarter.